Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete a message you sent on your iPhone via iMessage. To do this, you go into the most standard app. Then you open the chat that you want, and you find the message you want. After that, you click on that message, and here you click on the button, More, and select the Delete button. The message is deleted, and also you can delete the whole hour with your contact. To do this, you just go to the chats. Find the desired chat, swipe it to the side and delete it. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.